In this lecture, we will learn how easy it is to apply styles to our React pages. Right now, our text here looks terrible because it uses the default styling of the web browser. But the key is that no matter what we use, whether it is JSX, React, or some other technology, at the end of it, all that the web browser understands is HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. So you can directly use CSS styles in your HTML page, and those will get applied to the HTML elements that get generated from this JSX. So within the header block, define style element. This type is optional. You can get rid of it. Style is the element. Within style, let's define a style for the root element first. Hash root. Flower brackets, open and close it. Background color. Background hyphen color is the first element. Colon brown. You can use whatever color you want. If you remember the color codes, you can use pound and then the color code as well. I'm going to use the colors directly. Second, hash root h1. h1 is the HTML element that gets generated at the end of it. So hash root h1 is the second style that I am defining here. You can define font size is equal to, say, 30px, 30 pixels. Save it. And color, colon, define whatever color you want. Red is what I am giving it. Save it. Go back to the web browser, refresh, and that will take into effect. Brown is the background and red is the text color. You can try playing around with the styles here. You can change this font size to 80. If you want to change this to black instead, save it, go back, refresh, and you will see that taking into effect. You can inspect the DOM as well. You will see the styles, you will see the script block where the JSX is converted into HTML and the styles are being applied to the DOM that gets generated.